Vilken härlig dag, da, 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 da. Sjunger och är glad.
In today's episode, how are you doing? Welcome to today, the fourth pre-production day at Oscarsteatern with the play RAINMAN. It's going to be business as usual. You know the drill now, don't you? But in the evening, I'm going to see a musical comedy show. It's a sort of it's school for performing arts, and the second year. Well, they're doing the last year now. So people, day 4 will be different than yesterday, as it always is, on stage.
Vilken härlig dag, da, 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 da. Sjunger och är glad.
This guy I met filmed just now, and I said, "Oh, I'm sorry, you look just like a friend of mine." And then it is the friend of mine who I've been working with, but he's grown up. This is like 5 years ago.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
So Gunnar, what are you doing?
Oh, I am trying to fix a problem.
Well, what's the problem?
Yeah, this screw
Yeah.
is kind of stuck.
Oh.
And I want to get rid of it because I hate it.
Have you tried a screwdriver?
Oh, yes, I did.
Okay, good.
Jävlar. Men fan, såg jag av röret.
Oh my God. People, I can't be bothered with this because I lead an interesting life. This guy looks exactly like another guy. Oh, he is. Do you want to say hello to your mother?
Of course. Hello, Mother.
People, it's time for lunch. Same lunch as yesterday. Same lunch as every day. Tell us about your dinner.
Oh, it's a little bit salty, but I love it.
You look very well.
So I've handwritten a breakdown of all the scenes and what people are in the different scenes. And I also written a breakdown what people are going to wear in every scene. So nothing.
So on stage there. What are you doing on? What's happening here?
I'm cleaning because I'm a cleaning lady.
And he's some sort of, I don't know. Om du fick önska dig någonting, Gunnar, vad skulle du önska dig på engelska då?
I want my own moon.
Right now I'm steaming a yellow sweater. Very important work. People, it's 10 to 6 and I'm about to leave work. And go see a show. I'm sort of... But it's because there's no oxygen in this room. And all those costumes just drains all the humidity out of the air, so it's very dry. But I'm going to see a show. Fantastical. So before going home, I'm going to make a final check-in on people on stage.
Hej då, tack för idag. Arugidurpi. Arubi. Arabahabaha. Oh, yeah. It's like the Muppet Show.
So people, over and out. I'm now going to go to this account for my theatre things. The show's done. It was fantastic. It was really, really good. And we'll try to sort of upload some videos from the show for you to watch if you haven't been watching on the other channel, where I haven't been uploading videos from the show anyway, because I took it with my camera, and then I'm going to upload it when I get home, because it takes too much time to sort of upload during the numbers. But it was great. It was fantastic. And as I said on my other channel, there are lots of women, a few men, so the men sort of have the advantage of being seen more than the women. So it's easy to say, oh, wow, he's good, he's great, he's fantastic, wow, he's funny, he's good. While the women are sort of, oh, she was good. And then you don't see her do anything yet. It's sort of like, it's harder to be seen as a woman, and I think there's nothing really you can do about that, because the answer would be that do not accept as many women, accept more men, 50-50. Then you will the women will have a chance to see. But of course there are more talented women than there are talented men, so the women will have to fight to be seen. And I sound like Richard Attenborough. Monkeys. Great COVID-19 related news here in Sweden. Since the spread of the virus is so low, they might be, for us who works in the theatre, it has been said that no more than 50 people in the audience, and now they might lift that ban, so it's 500 people in the audience, which is fantastic. And of course there can only be 500 people if you can guarantee that there's a meter in between. But it's good news. Hopefully we'll see an end of this